want some. Can I have some, Woody? Yes, Mom?
Yeah?
Can I have some tea for me?
Yeah?
Okay, come on.
Can I have some chocolate cake?
Yes, you can.
Oh, are you going to make it for me?
Woody, that's Mama's. Got your corn.
Oh, thank you.
Woody's gonna get some for you. Can I have a high five?
Sure. Woo! High five, Woody.
She's gonna ride on my shoulders. Ready, Woody? I'm ready. Do flip flop. Woo! Ready. Sid is in her bed.
Yeah, everybody's ready for bed. It's bedtime.
Woody wants to lay down.
Yeah.